Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I'm Ivan sir. Now I'm going to explain about the construction of a quadrilateral. So to construct the quadrilateral, generally we require 5 independent measurements, and we would draw quadrilaterals with the following measurements are given. So when 4 sides and 1 angle are given, that is S, 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 S and A. So total 5 independent measurements. Then in the second case, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, and the third one, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. See here, 3 sides and 2 diagonals, total 5 independent measurements. In the fourth case, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So 2 adjacent side means we are getting one included angle and another are 2 angles. The next fifth one, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So like this, SAS, AS. So total 5 independent measurements. So based on these sides and angles, we are going to construct the quadrilateral. In exercise 3.1, we are dealing the construction with 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Before construct any quadrilateral, first we need to draw a rough sketch for the given question. Now first we will solve the example 1 and 2 questions before the exercise. So in the example here we are going to construct the quadrilateral when the lengths of 4 sides and 1 angle are given. So example first one, construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ is 4.5 centimeters, Q to R 5.2 centimeters, and R to S 5.5 centimeters, and P to S is equal to 4 centimeters. And here we have angle PQR, means angle Q is equal to 120 degrees. So angle Q here they given, so you should take PQ, RQR as a base. So I am taking the P to Q is at a base. So now I am taking the P to Q and drawing the line segment which is 4.5 centimeter. This is a rough sketch for that given measurements, so no need to measure. Next we are constructing the angle Q here 120 degrees. So 120 is an obtuse, so you will get this side, so approximately. So we are getting angle 120 degrees, and we need to draw a ray here, that is QX. And after that we have one measurement that is Q to R 5.2. So Q to R means we are locating the here R point with 5.2 centimeter with the compass. Then after that we need to draw P to S 4 centimeter. Here we have already P there, so you should draw the P to S which we have 4 centimeter. And after that we have length for R to S. Then actually this is the point R, so we need to draw the R to S with 5.5 centimeter. So it is in a rough sketch for the given question. So in the construction of the quadrilateral, first step is draw a rough sketch of the required quadrilateral and mark the given measurements. Why we are doing the rough sketch means, are they are enough or not? To check this condition, we are going to draw the rough sketch. Now we need to draw draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Take the line segment length 5.5 centimeters. Now you can mark label as P and Q with 4.5 centimeter. And we need to construct the angle Q 120 degrees. So take the compass and with the center Q and radius, compass radius more than half of the length of the PQ, and draw an arc here. So next with the center with the same radius, draw an arc. With 60 center we need to draw with the same radius, draw another arc which cut the previous arc. Now this arc shows the 60 degrees and this intersect point shows this 120 degrees. Now draw a ray AX making an angle 120 degrees. Now take the ruler. Now draw a ray QX. You should mark as X. and you can take some more length of this q to x. Why? Because we are locating the r point on this ray, so we don't know where you are getting the r point to, so you should take the more line, more length of this line. Now we are going to draw the length of a q to r with 5.2 centimeters. Now take the compass and take the compass radius as 5.2 centimeters to locate the point r. Now with the center q, draw an arc which cut the qx ray at point r. Now this point we are getting r now. So the distance, the length of this q to r is now 5.2 centimeter. Now we need to locate the point s to complete the required quadrilateral. So and we know the length of p to s, that is 4 centimeter, and r to s, that is 5.5 centimeter. Now take the compass and radius 4 centimeters with the help of ruler. Now you should take the compass length as 4 centimeters. Now with the center P, draw an arc. But here we don't have any point S. So to locate the exact point of S, we need to draw the R to S with 5.5. Now take the compass and take the radius as 5.5 centimeter with the help of ruler. So I am taking the compass length as 5.5, and with R as a center. Now R as a center with the radius of 5.5 centimeters, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point S. Now this intersection point called as S. Now join P to S and R to S to complete the quadrilateral PQRS. Now write down P to S we have length 4 centimeter and S to R we have 5.5 centimeter. So it is a construction of the quadrilateral ABCD. Next example second, construct a parallelogram ABCD given that AB is equal to 5 centimeter and B to C is equal to 3.5 centimeters and A is equal to angle A is equal to 60 degrees. And before I told you to construct the quadrilateral we required 5 independent measurements, but here we have only 1, 2, 3 measurements. What about other 2? So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. So based on the property we are going to draw the rough sketch. So the step number 1, draw a rough sketch of the required quadrilateral and mark the given measurements. Now here we have angle A, so you should take AB as a base. So we are writing A to B length as 5 centimeter and B we have 60 degrees, 60 is an acute, so you should get like this. So you are getting 60 degrees and you should take A to X as a ray. Now we are locating the C point. We know we have length of B to C, so draw the B to C with 3.5 centimeter. Then opposite side also we have 3.5 centimeters, so you should take the you should take the compass and draw an arc with 3.5. Then you are getting the point here, D location. Now we can complete. Now you can join D to C, then you will get the required quadrilateral, and automatically that the length of C to D also will become 5.5 centimeter. This is the rough sketch of the given question. Now let's go to the construction part. So as per the rough diagram, first we need to draw the line segment A to B with the 5 centimeter. We are writing A, B with 5.5 centimeter. Now construct angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So for that you should take the compass and with A as a center and radius, take radius more than half of the length of this AB and draw an arc here with the same radius, and this intersection point draw another arc which cut the previous arc. Now this is this point show the 60 degrees. Now take the ruler and draw an array A to X and take more length. You can write on AX ray. Now we are locating the point D on this ray with 3.5 centimeters. So with the help of ruler, you should take the compass length as 3.5 centimeters with the center B and radius as 3.5 centimeters. Draw an arc here. And A to D length also we have 3.5 centimeters. So with the same length, draw another arc which cut the ray OX at point D. Now this point we are getting as D. So now this length we have 3.5 centimeter. So now we don't know the point of exactly C, but we know the length of D to C is equal to 5.5 centimeters, so which is equal to A to B. Now take the compass length as 5.5 centimeters and with D as center, cut the previous arc at point C. Now here we got the point C. Now join D to C and B to C to complete the quadrilateral ABCD. Now mark the point as 5.5 centimeter and here you should write on 3.5 centimeter. So it is a required quadrilateral. Now we will solve the problems in exercise 3.1. Here is the first question. So and these exercise 3.1 is based on the 4 sides and 1 angle. So construct the quadrilateral ABCD with AB 5.5 centimeters, BC is 3.5 and C to D 4 centimeters, A to D is 5 centimeters. One angle they given 45 degrees, that is A. So now we have A is equal to 45, so you should take the base as AB or AD. So I am taking the base as an AB. So I am going first step. We are going to draw a rough sketch of the required quadrilateral and mark the given measurements. So you should take AB with 5.5 centimeter. Now construct the angle A 45 degrees, that is ray FAX, that is to take the 45 degrees. Now after this, we know the length of A to D 5 centimeters, so you should mark the point D here 5.5 centimeters, then you will get the D point here. Then after that we are going to draw the line segment with the B to C which is 3.5 centimeter. Then after that with the center C to D length we have 4 centimeters, so from the D you should draw length here and we are cut the arc here, that is you are getting the 4 centimeters. So it is a rough sketch of the given diagram. So first step, draw the line segment of AB with 5.5 centimeters. So draw the line segment AB with 5.5 centimeters. Now you should mark point A and B with 5.5 centimeters. Now here first we need to construct the angle A is equal to 45 degrees. So to construct the angle 45 degrees we need to bisect the angle 60 and 30. Now let's construct the 60 and 30, then you can bisect the 60 and 30, you will get 45. So first construct the angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So for that you should take the compass with the A as a center and the compass radius slightly more than half of the length of AB and draw an arc with the same radius and this point of this point, draw an arc which cut the previous arc. So this point indicating the 60 degrees. Now we are bisecting now we know that the angle this is 60. So to get the 30 degrees we need to bisect this 60 and this point. So for that you should take the compass and take the compass radius more than half of this length of arc length of 60 degrees and with this center draw an arc again with the point of 60 degrees, draw an arc which cut the previous arc. So this point now indicating the 30 degrees. Now just to look at the 30 degrees. Now we are going to bisect this is 60 and the 30, this is 30. Now we are going to bisect this 30 and 60, we will get 45 degrees. To construct the 45, take the compass radius more than half of this length of 30 to 60 degrees and draw an arc here. So with the same radius with the center 30 degrees point, you should draw another arc which cut the previous arc. Now this point is indicating the 45 degrees. Now take the ruler and draw an array. Now mark as A to X as 45 degrees. Now we have got the angle 45 degrees. Next we are going to locate the point D on this AX ray. So for that take the compass length as 5 centimeters with the help of a ruler. Now this is the length of the radius. Compass radius as 5 centimeters, and with this radius, with A at the center, draw an arc which cut the AX to D. Now this point indicating the D. Now the length of A to D we have 5 centimeter. Now after that we need to draw the point line segment of side B to C with 3.5 centimeters. So you should take the compass. Now take the compass radius as 3.5 centimeters. Now with the center B, draw an arc here. But here we can't get the location of C. So again we need to draw an arc from the D to C with 4 centimeters. Now take the compass length as 4 centimeters. Now this is the compass length 4 centimeters. Now with the center D, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point C. Now here we got the point C. Now join D to C and B to C to complete the quadrilateral ABCD. And at the length D to C we have 4 centimeter and B to C 3.5 centimeter. It is a required quadrilateral. And these all are the construction steps for the first question. Now these all are the construction steps of the first question. So you can copy this all the steps and you can follow these steps to get the construction. And we will go with the next second B question. For that you should write down the construction step yourself. I'm going to explain on the construction part. So here the second question B1, we are going to construct the quadrilateral base. The name of the quadrilateral base is given. In that one, B to E is 2.5 centimeter and E to S 3.2 centimeters and S to T the 2.7 centimeters and B to T they given 3.4 centimeters and one angle they given B is equal to 75 degrees. So first step is draw a rough sketch of the required quadrilateral and mark the given measurements. So the given angle B, so should take B to E as a base or B to T as a base. So I'm going to take the B to E as a base. That B to E is equal to 2.9 centimeter. Now next draw and construct the angle B 75 degrees like this, and you can draw you can mark the 75 degrees. And B to T we have 3.4 centimeter, so you can draw an arc here to get the point T with 3.4 centimeter. Now we are going to look at the point S here. So from the E we should draw with the arc with 3.2 centimeter, 3.2 centimeter, and with T to S 2.7. So with the T to S we should draw another arc to get the S point. Now this is the point we are getting S and you should mark as 2.7. So this is the rough sketch of the given question. Now let's go to the construction part. So first we need to draw B to E as 2.9 centimeter. So you should take, we are getting small line. That is B to E. We are getting 2.9 centimeter. Now construct the angle B 75 degrees. So how will you get 75? We need to bisect the 90 degrees and 60 degrees. So we should construct the 60 and 90. So to get the 90, we need to construct the 60 and 120. Now you bisect these two angles, we are getting the 90 degrees. Let's go to the construction of 60 and 120. For that, you should take the compass and take with the B as the center, and to take the compass radius more than half of the length of this B to E, and with now this is length radius. Now with this radius, draw an arc here. Now with the same center, same radius, draw an arc with the 60 degrees. Now this angle, this arc shows the 60 degrees, and with the point of the 60, you should draw another arc to get 120. Now these two arcs indicating the 60 and 120. Now we are going to bisect this is 60 to 120, then you will get the 90 degrees. So for that, you should take the compass and take the compass radius more than half of this is 60 and 120. Now draw an arc here. So next with this 120 center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc. Now draw a line. This is indicating the 90 degrees. But we don't want B to 90 degrees. So now we are going to bisect this 90 degrees and 60 degrees mark. So this is 90 degrees. Now we are going to this is 60, bisect this is 60 and 90 to get 75. So for that you should take the compass with 60 as the center and take the compass radius. Now take the compass radius more than half of this arc of 60 to 120. So with the 60 center, draw an arc here. Now with 90 degrees point, draw another arc which cut the previous arc. Now two orange color marks are intersecting at this point. Now this point is indicating 75 degrees. Now take the ruler and draw an array with passing through the point. Now you should draw a B to X ray with 75 degrees. Now it is an angle 75 degrees. Now we are going to locate the point T on from the point to B with 3.4 centimeters. For that you should take the ruler and take the compass length now 3.4 centimeters. Now with the center B, draw an arc on BX at point T. Now this point we are getting as T. The length of B to T is 3.4 centimeters. Now look, now draw the E to S with 3.2 centimeters with the help of compass. Now take the compass radius as 3.2 centimeters. Next, from with the center E, draw an arc here. Again with the center 3, draw another arc with 2.7. Why? Because the length of T to S they given as 2.7 centimeters. Now take the length as 2.7 centimeters. Now it is a compass length 2.5 centimeters. So with this radius with the T as the center, cut the, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point S. Now join T to S and E to S to complete the quadrilateral best. Now write the measurement. T to S we have 2.7 centimeter and E to S that is 3.2 centimeter. So it is a required quadrilateral. For these questions you should write the construction step by yourself.